Welcome to JH. In today's guide, I will demonstrate how to edit submitted responses in Google Forms. This is a vital feature for anyone using the platform extensively, as it allows for modifications after a form has been sent. Whether you are correcting a mistake, updating information, or managing data more efficiently, these steps will help you enable response editing. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, navigate to your Google Drive account, where all your documents and forms are stored. Once there, look for the Apps section on the left-hand side of the page. If it isn't immediately visible, you may need to scroll down a bit to find it. Click on it to view your Google applications, then find and select Forms. This will display all your saved projects. If you have a large collection of forms, search for the specific one you want to modify and click to open it. With your form open, look at the top right corner for the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click this icon to open the configuration window. Within this menu, select the Responses tab to access the editing options. Look for the setting labeled Allow Response Editing and ensure the checkbox is active. This is the essential step that permits users to go back and change their submitted data. Once enabled, click the Save button at the bottom of the window to finalize your settings and ensure they are applied correctly. After saving, you will see an option to copy responder link. Clicking this generates a URL that directs users back to the form for any necessary revisions. Copy this link to share with anyone who needs to update their entry. You can test this by clicking the Preview icon and filling out the form as a respondent would. After you submit, the option to edit your response will appear. This functionality provides your participants with a seamless way to make updates, saving time and effort for everyone. You now know how to set up and manage response editing in Google Forms to ensure everything runs smoothly for you and your respondents.